Holy mackerel, check this out. Father sentenced to life for raping his daughter in a Georgia case that almost never went to a jury. A jury found Micah Loreco Daniel guilty on 7 charges, including rape, incest, and child molestation.
Loving Alive tonight, a mother filled with gratitude and relief after a historic case lands the man who raped her daughter in prison for life.
The Athens Clark County District Attorney had dismissed the case last year, saying it didn't have enough evidence. 11 Alive investigator Rebecca Lindstrom explains how this case landed in front of a jury anyway.
It only took the jury 45 minutes to deliberate and find Michael Loreco Daniel guilty of rape, incest, and child molestation. For nearly a year, we have talked about Marsy's Law, the constitutionally protected rights given to victims in Georgia. And this is the case that started it all. Last May, 11 Alive was the only camera in the courtroom for the state's first Marsy's Law hearing, as a mother told the judge how the Athens Clark County DA's office violated her daughter's rights. We're not showing the mother to protect the girl's identity. She was only 14 years old when her mom found disturbing text messages on her phone.
He was a lot of time asking her to come into our home office with him, and if she didn't respond, he would ask her to delete the messages.
But the day of the trial, without warning, the prosecutor dismissed the charges.
I was shocked, and then I became kind of angry because I wasn't understanding.
Today, proudly wearing a shirt proclaiming girl power, the mother remembers the judge finding for the first time in Georgia a DA's office guilty of violating Marsy's Law. About a month later, that same judge requested that a prosecutor outside of the DA's office look at the case.
If I didn't have these attorneys, we wouldn't have went back to court, but I also wouldn't have found out how bad they messed up our case because they just wanted me to think that it wasn't enough evidence.
This week, Michael Loreco Daniel went on trial, and the jury found him guilty on every count. The rape charge alone comes with a mandatory minimum of 25 years in prison.
We were really emotional, and we cried. Happy tears, but sad as well. I think the healing will actually start.
Despite the outcome for this family, I don't think we're going to start seeing a wave of Marsy's Law cases. That's because most of the time it's just a public acknowledgement that something went wrong. There's no money, and rarely will it lead to a case like this being re-indicted.
All right, Rebecca.